So if I do a comparison, I would say the back-end work that goes into a Marcus Evans event for a speaker like myself is probably more superior than most. I speak globally, and sometimes you'll have those initial conversations, and then after the initial conversations, it's simply, right, this is what you're talking about, and then a day or two before or a week or so before you get information. I feel with the Marcus Evans team, specifically Kenneth, there was this, outreach and guidance through, whether it was to do with travel, whether it was to do with reimbursement, whether it was to do with content, there was this ongoing communication. And so it stayed front of mind for a period of about 4 months, and I think that's super powerful. And then when you arrive here on the day, and then you start to speak to the attendees, you've got people from all over the world. I'm talking to people with accents like mine from the UK, people from other parts of the world, from Canada, and so being able to attract, and I think that's a key word, being able to attract global audiences in person, no other event like it.